Today, I'll show you how to eliminate lags in Roblox, and at the end, I'll share a secret tip, so stay tuned. First, open the file path of the Roblox player. Then, open the properties of Roblox Player Beta. Go to the Digital Signatures tab. Select View Certificate. Click on Install Certificate, and then just keep clicking Next until it's done. If nothing else works and you're still experiencing ping lags, try this secret tip. Use exit lag. You can test it for free, and if it works for you, it's worth purchasing. It's quite affordable for finally getting rid of those annoying lags. If you need a discount, just sign up using my link in the description. If this video helped you, feel free to leave a like and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.